Hi, my name is James Kathalangal. Today I'm going to talk about basic maintenance overview of the LI-710 Evapotranspiration Sensor. So regarding maintenance, there are only a few things to keep in mind. We have a transducer here, so keeping it clean, basically getting rid of spider webs or dirt and things like that. And the second part is replacing the inlet filter. The inlet filter can get clogged over time, and you can watch the pump voltage, which will tell you if the inlet filter get clogged. The pump voltage is normally around 12 volt, but if it gets closer to 24 volt, that's when the filter is completely clogged. To replace the filter, you can use this filter replacement tool, which is provided along with the spares. It has grooves on it, which will allow you to take the intake cap, and then there are spare filters also, which you can use as replacements. The part number is 65710002. These filters are PTFE membranes, which will allow gaseous water to go through them, but liquid water will not go through it. So if you have rain and events like that, the filter can get clogged during that period of time. To remove the filter, you can use the tool, put it in the intake and make sure it locks on to that grooves on the filter, and then you can turn it to remove that. Before you remove that filter, make sure you power off so that the pump is not running and sucking up the air. So I'm going to remove the filter now, put the tool in and turn it left to loosen it. Once it is loose, I can use my hands to take it off. Once I take the intake cap off, I can see there's an O-ring and the old filter in there. I can either use my fingers to dislodge that O-ring and take that filter off. Then I can put a new filter in. Put back the O-ring on top of the filter. And once it is stuck in there, I can use my fingers to put it back on. And then use the tool to do the final tightening. This concludes the presentation on the LI-710 Evapotranspiration Sensor. If you have more questions, you can always refer to our website, or you can contact us directly. Thank you.